Well, specifically, it comes under the 2004 Terrorism Act, and the indictment reads membership of a prescribed terrorist organisation, also supporting that prescribed terrorist organisation, as well as a conspiracy to incite civil unrest. As you mentioned, sentences in the region of 15 years are being asked for by the prosecutors. These are serious charges being levelled against these 11 human rights activists. Two of which are from outside of Turkey, including a Swiss and a German national, as mentioned. But they came to court just a few hours ago, separate to their legal team. And since they entered court, and it's not the biggest courtroom, there's not room for as many observers as certainly people would like to attend. And there has been some tension inside the courtroom as people trying to enter, we understand. The cases are being presented, and one by one the defendants have been laying out their cases for the defence, because all of the people who've been accused, all 11, are denying these charges.
And Francis, could you give us a bit of background to this trial today?
Well, essentially, this is stemming, although the legislation is from 2004, the Terrorism Act, which has been updated throughout the years, it is stemming from the coup of July of last year and the Turkish government reaction to that. Now, they believe they have a strong case against these 11 human rights activists, 10 of whom were arrested on an island just off Istanbul, where they were having a meeting about a digital strategy. And there has been a reaction, of course, since that coup attempt of July last year, with many people being fired from their jobs, from public services, from the police, from the judiciary, some 150,000 officially, and also 50,000 people have been arrested. So this is part of the sweep. Also, it's worth noting that in September, the Turkish Supreme Court made it clear that evidence could be presented in court in relation to charges like this if there was use of encrypted mobile messaging services, and this is certainly something that the prosecutors are laying down as part of these charges, evidence that the people were using an encrypted messaging service. And it's part of the wider sweep, the wider reaction by the Turkish government towards what happened in July of last year, and they believe that they have a strong case against these 11 people.
Francis, thank you very much for that update.